Well, three things emerged when we had a group of people looking at this question of the policy and practice interface of the forest-water nexus. And the first is our understanding that water not only exists in rivers and lakes and the blue water, but water also exists in the atmosphere, and forests are at the two-way interface between the atmosphere and water on the land. Forests evaporate water, which has been said they use too much water, but they recycle it to the atmosphere and that comes back. Now, policies exist for transboundary river flow, but we don't have policies, we don't have an understanding of the transboundary atmospheric movement of moisture. That leads to the second part, that the current understanding of the way forest and climate interact is dominated by carbon and greenhouse gases. The much more direct effects of forest and vegetation on wind speed, humidity, temperature and rainfall that many people on the ground care about, think about, is not in the purview of the global climate agreements. The final one, and that is sort of culmination with two, is that we've in the past people believe that forest is good for everything water. We call it the paradise lost paradigm. Deforestation is the cause of all problems, planting trees is the solution. 20 years ago, the hydrologists realized the water use by forest is quite high, and we got into the mood of the competition. We now are in the third phase of rediscovering the cycle, the hydrological cycle, and saying, well, the water used by forest is not lost, but is recycled. And we need to think of these atmospheric relations as shaping the rainfall, shaping the climate downwind, as well as influencing downriver. Current policies are about downriver effects. We need to bring in the downwind relationships.